Welcome to Raji's Creative Studio. Let's get creative. Ever wondered how to use your pots and bottles to hang your plants? This DIY is just for you. For this activity, we will need scissor, a hook, bottle, and jute cord or any cord that you're having for hanging the bottle. So, firstly, let's measure out the size of the bottle. We would need 6 times the size of this bottle. That is, each string will measure 6 times the size of this bottle. Likewise, we would need 4 strings cut into this size. We need to tie a cord around the neck of the bottle from where the entire hanger is going to get made. So let's measure the size of the neck and make a circle out of this cord. Once we have done that, let's fold each of the cord that we have cut out, which is 6 times the size of the bottle, into half and tie it around the string that we have attached to the neck. This loop is called the lark knot or the head knot. So we need to tie all the 4 strings to the neck at equal distance. After tying all the 4 strings, it is going to look like this. After this, we need to attach a string to the neck again, which is going to be used for hanging the bottle on the hook. So it can be as per your wish, how much ever long you want. So this again will be knotted as a lark knot or head knot on one side, and on the other side you will tie a normal knot. Now we start working with the 4 cords that we have tied around the neck of the bottle. So here we take the nearest string on the adjacent pair and tie a single knot. So it will give a V-shaped look. Again, we are going to take the nearest string from the adjacent pair and tie a knot. We will do this with all the 4 pair of string. Once we have done that, we continue making these knots till we reach the end of the bottle. That is, taking the nearest string from the adjacent pair and tying a single knot. Once we have finished tying all the knots and we reach to the end of the bottle, we gather all the string together and tie a single knot beneath the bottle. Tighten this knot nicely and cut off the excess thread that you see. Now let's tie a wrap knot around the loop that we have created for hanging the bottle. This is where the hook is going to rest, so we are giving an extra strength to that portion. That's why we are tying a wrap knot in that area. If you want to know more about the different knots that I have used, I have created a different video. You can check that out. Just tighten this off. And cut off any excess thread that you see. Once this is done, our bottle is ready to hang our beautiful plants. For making the pot hanger, we will again need the jute cord or any cord that you are having, a hook, scissor and the pot. For the pot hangers, we will need to cut cord which is measuring 8 times the size of this pot. Likewise, we will need 4 strings cut out. After we have done that, we need to fold each of the string and hang it on the hook that we are going to hang our pot. Once we have done that, again tie a wrap knot nearer to the hook. So we form a loop which is now going to be used to hang our pot. Then we make pairs out of each of this string that we have hung. So we make 4 pairs out of the 8 string that we have got. We follow the same process as we followed for the bottle. That is, we take the nearest string from the adjacent pair and then tie a single knot. But just ensure that after the wrap knot, we leave some good amount of space on the cord before we tie the knot. The reason for leaving this space just after the wrap knot is to ensure that we are able to easily put our pot into the hanger once it's created. So let's start making the knot. So we leave some gap and then we take the nearest string on the adjacent pair and tie a single knot. We will do this for all the pair of string, that is 4 pairs. We tie the nearest string on the adjacent pair. We do this till we reach towards the end of the rope, but not completely. Once we reach around 6 to 8 inches from the bottom of the string, we either tie a wrap knot to finish off the hanger or we tie a single knot. Gather all the strings together and do this. Our pot hanger is ready. Doesn't this look beautiful? I'll be coming up with more such plant hangers. This is one of the simplest way that you can hang your pots and bottles. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, do give a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you.